Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make blocks aeroplane. We'll begin by selecting a sturdy base plate, ideally an 8x16 stud piece, to provide a solid foundation for our aircraft. Next, we'll attach two long, thin block pieces to create the main body of the fuselage. It's important to center these pieces on the base to ensure a well-balanced and stable airplane. This initial step sets the stage for a smooth building process. Now, let's focus on the wings and tail. For the wings, create two identical sections using flat, wide blocks, perhaps 6x16 studs each. Securely attach these wings to the fuselage, positioning them approximately 1/3 of the way back from the front. Then, for the tail, construct a simple vertical fin and two smaller horizontal stabilizers. These components are crucial for the airplane's appearance and simulated flight. Moving forward, we'll add the cockpit and engines. For the cockpit, use clear or sloped blocks to create a distinct front section, giving your airplane a realistic look. Next, attach two engine blocks, one under each wing, positioning them close to the fuselage. If you have them, small propeller pieces can be added to the front of the engines for extra detail. These elements truly bring your block airplane to life. Finally, let's add some finishing touches to complete our airplane. You can use small stud pieces to represent windows along the sides of the fuselage, adding more realism. For landing gear, attach wheels or small block assemblies underneath the wings and front. Double-check all your connections to ensure every part is firmly in place. With these final details, your easy-to-build block airplane is ready for imaginative adventures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.